Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is gonna be the unboxing of my first ring light. So, I actually got this ring light off of Amazon for like $100, $110 with tax. It's actually the newer 14-inch ring light, 14 inch on the outside, 12 inches on the inside. And what came with it was the light, the stand, a little remote, and 2 diffusers. So yeah, I'm gonna do like an unboxing. I'm gonna show you what every piece is and what it came with in the box, how long shipping took. I'm gonna put the link directly in the description box so that you don't have to go anywhere and search for it. Like I got everything for you. Okay, let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is my ring light. Right now I have it set up to how my seat is adjusted to, and I'm kind of short, so I have my seat kind of low so that my feet can touch the floor. So time for the unboxing. This is already like this from me trying to rip it open. So I'm actually gonna take the corners out. Alright, so this is the light that it comes with, the 14-inch light. That's the tripod. I'm not sure what this does yet. Neither am I sure what this is yet. This is where I would hold my phone or a camera. These are the plugs that it comes with. This is its brand name bag, newer. Comes also with 2 filters / diffusers and a Bluetooth remote for like seamless videotaping or picture taking. Okay, to start, we're going to actually take the tripod and untwist the middle part so that we can bring the legs down. Don't hit yourself. Next, we're going to screw that back so that it's tightened and it doesn't go anywhere or fall on you. Next, we're going to take the long piece that I said I didn't know what it does, and we're going to put that on top of the silver part. Make sure you unscrew the screw so that it's out of the hole so that the long piece can actually go down on the silver piece. Don't drop the piece that I just dropped because you will lose it and you will probably never find it ever again. Next, we're going to take the actual light. We're going to put it on top of the long thing that I said I didn't know what it does, and we're just going to screw that on. This whole process is basically like an unscrewing, screwing process. That's how you're basically going to get it together. Next, we're going to take the little parts and put them together. So the part for your camera or for your phone, and that's going to go right on top where the light is. So you're just going to push that little square piece through the hole, and then you're going to turn the round part and make sure it's tight. Because if it's not tight, it's going to be wobbly. That's the part where you want to make sure it's really tight. And make sure you adjust your camera part, because if you don't, then your camera is going to kind of be lopsided, or your phone. Now you can use whichever filter you feel more comfortable with. This filter / diffuser has like an orangey tone, and this one has more like a natural tone. Either or is fine for me, but I prefer this one when recording videos and this one for when I'm taking pictures. So I'm actually going to put this one on my ring light right now. How I put it on is I snap the bottom on first, and then I put the top one on after. And there you go. And then last but not least, I have the plugs. So I'm just inserting this plug right here into this. I'm just putting it in here. Then all I have to do is just plug this plug which is attached to the end one into the wall, and then voila. All you would have to do is just turn the knob and your light will come on. So I'll do like a demonstration. Okay, so in this clip, I'm actually just showing you how I turn on the light, and in the next clip, I'm going to show you how my brother and I are testing out the Bluetooth remote on my phone.
Oh, yo, what's cracking, boy? It's your boy Lenny Eastside up in the building. You know, I'm here with my sister, whatever her nickname is, Leann, Alicia. You know, she doing her thing, doing her makeup thing. Let's get it, boy. We out here, B, right?
Kiki, do you love me? Alright guys, so I just did a full unboxing for you. I'm gonna actually show you how it looks on its brightest settings. So this is on its brightest settings right now. This is the brightest settings, and then I'm gonna slowly like dim it down. So this is the brightest settings on the white diffuser, and now I'm gonna dim it down for you. Slowly dimming it down, dimming it down, dimming it down. And that's how it looks when it's off. I prefer it on like middle settings so that it doesn't like be too harsh for my eyes. But yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. If you're thinking about getting it, if you're going to get it, let me know if this video was helpful for you. Comment, subscribe, like, thumbs up, thumbs down, press the bell, do anything. Just let me know.